Hello and welcome to this new edition of XDI Insights. In this new episode, we'd like to cover a little bit about the 3D experience on the cloud, specifically for SOLIDWORKS users as we get closer to SOLIDWORKS world. So over the past few weeks, we've broadcasted a few webinars and a few of our XDI Insights videos where we try to the best of our ability to explain the concept of 3D experience, the different tools underneath, and really what kind of value it offers to SOLIDWORKS users, and really could be also applicable to CATIA users. And we have a lot of CATIA users and CATIA type companies are adopting the 3D experience platform. So in today's edition, I would like to go over a little bit in terms of the packaging and costs and what each of these packaging entails in terms of functionality. Again, SOLIDWORKS World, which is now called 3D Experience World, is right around the corner. And I hope this gives the audience a little bit of perspective before they head out to the trade show. So let's take a look at basically the 3D experience packaging as we've been discussing over the past few weeks. So realistically, what the 3D experience is in terms of packaging, we really split it in three different buckets. So think about the first bucket as your collaboration bucket. This goes above and beyond just regular collaboration, which you could do via email. But this is really around 3D web viewing, messaging, and really consuming the platform as a collaboration tool, much like we do today with tools like LinkedIn and Slack. This becomes a repository and an enterprise social innovation repository, so to speak, where you could collaborate with your teams, and you could see the different types of functionality associated with the collaboration platform. One thing to stress, obviously, is it's on the cloud. It's very secure. We have a lot of customers running some very sensitive projects on cloud with no issues on reliability or security. The second, I would say, packaging that you would think about in terms of a 3D experience platform, think about this as your PDM functionality. So managing either SolidWorks or CATIA data, revision control, access control, release, maturity, workflows, and again, 3D reviews, markup, annotations, all done in a web browser on the cloud. And then the third piece of this is the product lifecycle management. So this is a little bit more advanced where we go from just managing CAD data into managing bill of materials, part numbering systems, maybe some project management, and overall engineering and potentially manufacturing change management. You could implement a full enterprise management, change management on the cloud. So these are just kind of the three different packages if you would like to think about it in a more simple way as far as 3D Experience platform. These packages are all available on the cloud starting at about $45 a user per month for the basic collaboration tools. You could also add additional apps if you have need for CATIA for large assemblies or maybe some advanced composites. You could also add Abacus type technology on the cloud for FEA and CFD. And finally, you could add some manufacturing planning or CNC machining if you so wish. So again, these are just the overall packages that you could have with 3D Experience platform. If you are a SolidWorks user or a CATIA V5 user, these are great packages for you to try the 3D Experience platform. If you have any other questions or need any more information, we can definitely get you to evaluate the 3D Experience on the cloud very easily and very quickly. Please give us a call. Contact us at XD Innovation. Thank you again, and we'll see you at another episode of XDI Insights. Have a great day, everyone.